Talking to teenagers can be tough. It often feels like you're speaking different languages. They seem to live in their own world, with their own interests and priorities. Their focus is often on their friends, social media, and the latest trends. As a parent, it's easy to feel shut out. The closed doors and one-word answers can be disheartening. However, communication is more important than ever during these years. It's a crucial time for their development, and your involvement can make a big difference. Teens need your guidance and support, even if they don't always show it. They might not ask for help, but they still need to know you're there for them. Remember, adolescence is a time of huge change. Their bodies, emotions, and social circles are all evolving rapidly. Teens are trying to figure out who they are and where they fit in. This journey of self-discovery can be confusing and overwhelming. This can lead to mood swings, arguments, and withdrawn behavior. It's a natural part of growing up, even though it can be challenging for both of you. It's normal for them to push boundaries and test limits. Don't give up. Your patience and persistence are key. Open communication can help your teen navigate these challenges. It provides them with a safe space to express their thoughts and feelings. It builds trust, strengthens your bond, and gives you a window into their world. Shared activities and laughter can create lasting memories. With patience and understanding, you can bridge the gap and keep the lines of communication open. Remember, your support and love are invaluable during these transformative years. Timing is everything when talking to teens. Avoid starting serious conversations when they are tired, stressed, or glued to their phones. Instead, look for natural opportunities for connection. Meal times can be a good time to chat, as can car rides. Even doing chores together can create space for conversation. The key is to be present and engaged. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and really listen to what they have to say. Remember, teenagers value their independence. Avoid lecturing or bombarding them with questions. Instead, create a safe and comfortable environment where they feel heard and respected. Listening is the most important skill in communicating with teenagers. It forms the foundation of a strong and trusting relationship. Active listening means truly focusing on what your teen is saying, both verbally and non-verbally. This involves giving them your full attention and being present in the moment. Put aside your judgments and opinions and try to see things from their perspective. This can be challenging, but it's crucial for understanding their feelings and experiences. Pay attention to their body language and tone of voice. These nonverbal cues can provide deeper insight into what they are truly feeling. Reflect back what you hear to show them you understand. This can be done by paraphrasing their words or summarizing their main points. For example, you could say, "It sounds like you're feeling stressed about exams." This shows empathy and validates their emotions. This lets them know you are listening and that you care. It reassures them that their feelings are important to you. Avoid interrupting or offering solutions unless they ask for them. Sometimes they just need someone to listen without judgment or advice. Sometimes teenagers just need to vent and feel heard. Allowing them to express their emotions freely can be incredibly therapeutic. By being a good listener, you build trust and create a space where they feel comfortable opening up. This can lead to more meaningful and honest conversations in the future. Remember, active listening is not just about hearing the words, but about understanding the emotions behind them. It's about connecting on a deeper level. When teenagers feel heard and understood, they are more likely to come to you with their problems and seek your guidance. This strengthens your bond and helps them navigate their challenges with confidence. Starting a conversation with a teenager can feel daunting. They may give you one-word answers or seem completely disinterested. The key is to find common ground and show genuine interest in their lives. Instead of asking generic questions like, "How was your day?" try something more specific. Ask about their favorite band, a new video game, or a current event that interests them. Share your own experiences and opinions, but avoid dominating the conversation. Remember, teenagers are more likely to open up if they feel comfortable and respected. Avoid interrogating them or putting them on the spot. Keep it light, keep it real, and be patient. Section 5. The power of how was your day? While it's good to have specific conversation starters, don't underestimate the power of the simple question, "How was your day?" This question, though seemingly basic, can open the door to meaningful conversations. It may seem like a mundane question, but it shows your teen that you care about their daily experiences. It signals that you are interested in their world, their challenges, and their triumphs. The key is to ask with genuine interest. and listen attentively to their response. This means putting away distractions, making eye contact, and truly focusing on what they are saying. Don't settle for a one-word answer. If they respond with a simple "fine" or "okay," gently encourage them to share more. Encourage them to elaborate by asking follow-up questions like, "What was the best part of your day?" Or "What made you smile today?" Or "Was there anything that was challenging?" These questions show that you are not just asking out of obligation but because you genuinely care. Even if their day seems ordinary to you, remember that it's their reality. What might seem trivial to an adult can be significant to a teenager. Show empathy and validate their feelings, even if you don't fully understand them. Acknowledge their emotions and let them know that it's okay to feel the way they do. This builds trust and strengthens your relationship. Over time, these small daily check-ins can lead to deeper conversations and a stronger bond. So, never underestimate the power of asking, "How was your day?" Section 6. Sharing, not interrogating. Communication is a two-way street. Encourage open dialogue by sharing your own thoughts and experiences. This shows your teenager that you see them as an individual capable of understanding and relating to you. However, be mindful of the balance. The goal is not to dominate the conversation or turn it into a lecture. Share anecdotes that are relevant to their interests or experiences. Ask for their opinions and perspectives. Remember, teenagers are more likely to open up if they feel like you trust and respect them. Sharing your own vulnerabilities can create a sense of connection and encourage them to do the same. Section 7. Respecting boundaries. Give them space. Teenagers need space to process their emotions and navigate their world. Respect their need for privacy and independence. Don't force them to talk if they're not ready. Pay attention to their cues. If they're withdrawn, irritable, or disengaged, it might be a sign that they need some time alone. Give them the space they need and let them know you're there for them when they're ready to talk. Respecting their boundaries shows that you trust them and value their individuality. It also creates a sense of safety and security, which is essential for open communication. Section 8. Digital communication, texting, and more. In today's digital age, communication goes beyond face-to-face interactions. Embrace technology as a tool for staying connected with your teenager. Texting, video calls, and social media can provide alternative avenues for communication. Use these platforms to check in, share jokes, or simply stay in touch throughout the day. However, be mindful of their digital boundaries. Avoid bombarding them with messages or constantly monitoring their online activity. Remember, the same rules of respect and active listening apply online. Be present in your digital interactions and avoid using technology as a substitute for meaningful face-to-face conversations. Section 9. Dealing with difficult conversations. Not all conversations with teenagers are easy. There will be times when you need to address challenging topics such as schoolwork, relationships, or risky behavior. Approach these conversations with empathy, understanding, and a willingness to listen. Avoid accusations or judgmental language. Instead, express your concerns calmly and clearly. Use I statements to express your feelings, and focus on finding solutions together. Remember, your goal is not to control your teenager but to guide them towards making responsible choices. Be prepared to listen to their perspective, even if you don't agree with it. Section 10. Benefits of open communication. Maintaining open communication with your teenager offers numerous benefits. It strengthens your bond, builds trust, and provides a safe space for them to share their thoughts and feelings. Open communication also allows you to stay informed about their lives, their challenges, and their triumphs. This knowledge empowers you to provide appropriate guidance and support when they need it most. Furthermore, teenagers who feel comfortable talking to their parents are more likely to make healthy choices and avoid risky behaviors. They know they have a safe and supportive environment to turn to when they need help or advice. Section 11. Building a stronger bond. Talking to teenagers can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. By following these tips, you can create a stronger, more meaningful connection with your teen. Remember, communication is a two-way street. Listen attentively, show empathy, and respect their boundaries. Be patient, be present, and never underestimate the power of a simple conversation. Through open and honest dialogue, you can build a foundation of trust and understanding that will last a lifetime.